Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. So in this video we will discuss about that very common error that you used to face in S4 HANA, SAP S4 HANA. So I'm trying to post a GR, goods received against purchase order, and I'm facing this error. So like material ledger is not productive for any valuation area of company code this. So I'm getting this error while doing GR posting against purchase order. So let's see how we can do that. And that error you will face only in SAP S4 HANA because we have to activate material ledger in SAP S4 HANA. We need not to do that in ECC. So how we can do that? Let's see. So let me open one new screen using T code OMX1. First let me open OMX3. So just open OMX3. So first of all I have to define material ledger. So just use T code OMX2, and in that I will just go in position and I will check my material ledger. So that's a 9000 standard. So let me check 9000. So it's available here 9000, and that entry must be manual. So it's perfect. Now I will do assignment of a material ledger type to valuation area. How I'm going to do that? Using T code OMX3. So let me use T code OMX3 here. Hit enter and just go to position. And valuation area is nothing but your plant. So mostly 99.9% cases valuation area will be your plant. It could be your company code also, but by default SAP will also recommend valuation area as a plant. So just enter your plant here. So my plant is KL01. Just hit enter and just make sure that your valuation area with your company code, it should be assigned with that standard 9000 material ledger, and that must be turned to green. That means ML currencies are allowed in FI, so that must be turned green. Now we will use T code OMX2. So now we will use T code OMX2 to activate our material ledger. So T code is OMX2. Just hit enter and here just go to position and material ledger we need to enter here. So what's our material ledger? Material ledger in our case is 9000. So let me enter 9000. Just go to OMX1. Yeah, so we need to go to T code OMX1. So in OMX1, let me open that. Yeah, this one, OMX1. I need to go to position. I need to enter my plant here, hit enter, and that checkbox for your valuation area. My valuation area is KL01 and KL02. My company code is KRIP. So that's assigned perfectly. So that must be like this material ledger activation must be checkbox must be check mark, and that price determination must be transaction based. It should not be single multiple, that must be transaction based. So just select transaction based, hit enter and save. Hit enter. Yes. Now next step, fourth step is I need to put that productive. I need to set that productive. How I'm going to do that? Using T code CKM start. So just use T code CKM start. So /n CKM start. Hit enter and here we will just mention our plant. So my plant is KL01 and exchange rate, so my exchange rate I like M. You can select from here also. So standard translation at average rate, let's just select this one and just hit, just execute. So we can give validity here. So let me give validity here. So let me give here LP01 for printer. Now it's released. Now let me try to create Migo. Now I will able to do that.